Alright, now let's talk about one of the most important foundations of any design system, typography. Typography is not just about choosing something that looks nice. It's also about communication, hierarchy, readability, and consistency across your entire product. When we build a design system, we are not designing just one screen. We are designing a language that will be reused by many people across many contexts. And the typography plays a huge role in making that language clear and scalable. A very common and effective approach is to use two fonts, one for headings and one for body text. Let's go for it. I'm going to use Space Grotesque for headings. So, let's make this medium. And I will have it here. And then the text, let's say regular 16 and 14, it's a little bit too much. 24, yeah, 24 is fine. So here I will type that this font is for headings. Okay, let's do this. We will talk about the auto layout afterward. Okay, let's make H1. Let's say here headings. Heading 1. Say 16 regular. We'll fix that after. And here let's type, I think I'm going to do this 64 pixels. Let's see first what we are going to do with this. So let's say 48. I think I prefer 48. 48 pixels, medium, and one more thing, it will be the line height. And it's going to be, I think, 110%, but let's see how it looks. Now it is in 130%. So let's have a little check. I think it's too far away, one line from the other. So let's say 110. I think it's much better. This one. Let's add out layout here. Like this, yeah. I prefer it centered. So let's say here H2 and heading 2. And maybe 32 or 40. 36. I think 36 is fine. And the line height, let's have a look. think it's fine. 110 here. And then here heading 3. Say 24 maybe. Let's have a look. 24, yes. And let's see the line height. I think now it's too close. So let's say 120. Much better. So I'm going to change this to 120. And here also to leave a note. Now I'm going to add to all of this. See, that looks fine. And then let's make the same with an Inter font. This font is for body text as paragraphs. Patterns, labels, captions. Okay. And then let's change the actual text to enter and regular. Okay. And then here, let's say B1. B2 and B3. And I will say body text. Let's say button text and caption text. Great. Now let's choose the size. Let's say 16. 14, and 12. For this, all of them, I'm going to choose 130% line height because I know it looks good. And then I'm going to change here to regular. Okay, and this is 16, 14, and 12. Here it's 130 in all of them. And I would like to add one more of this for a semi-bold. So let's make this, let's make it semi-bold. Oh, come on. Okay. Okay. As I only want to add one semi-bold, um, I'm not going to make another column here for semi-bold. Usually I would do one for regular and one for semi-bold, but not in this case. And now let's add them all to the styles. So we go here, heading 1. I'm gonna add a space, grotesque, H1, and create style. Let's do then for H2 and for H3. Okay, now I take them both from here and add them here. Then let's go to the inter and let's say inter B1 and create style. Then I would go here and I'm gonna say also B1 but semi-bold, and then B2 up, and the last one it would be B3. So let's take all of this and add them over here. So now we have all of them. Here we can see if we write it well. So it's 48, 110. So 48, 110, 36, and 24. Then 16, also 16, but semi-bold, 14, and 12. Here you can also see that it's a little bit different than the others. And well, why do we do this? Because headings and body text serve for different purposes. Headings need personality, they create impact, guide attention, and define hierarchy. Grotesque typeface works really well here because it tends to be strong, structured, and visually distinctive. Body text, on the other hand, needs to be extremely readable. That's where Inter font shines. It's designed specifically for screens, making it perfect for paragraphs, buttons, inputs, and any smaller text. So essentially, headings, expression and hierarchy, and body, priority, and readability. This combination gives you both character and usability. Well, this was all for typography. See you in the next lesson.